Hello friends, this is Divya Balasubramanian here from ARTiculture, and today in this video I'm going to show you a mini Circle Mania album. So you can see how my album is looking. My album has 6 pages. On each page I have done some craft work in which you can put your pictures, or you can write your messages, or even you can put your sentiments. So let's get started here. So this is my previous Circle Mania album, which I have taken birthday as my theme, and now in the Circle Mania album which I'm going to show you is related to a love theme, or for a Valentine's Day. So you can see here all my bases are ready. I have die cut it and kept it ready. I have used my circle dies here and cut all my bases and kept it ready, and slowly I'll tell you how to use them. So you can see here I have made some Circle Mania book here. So I have kept each and every cutting ready here so that we can quickly go through the procedure. So I'm going to start with my first page here, in which I'm going to put a shaker cover page. So for that I have taken one base. So you can see my alphabet dies are also ready here, and as a shaker I'm going to use cute little wooden hearts here. So to start with, I'm going to take a OHP sheet. I have cut it in circle shape, and then I have taken a frame like circle which is in rose gold color, and then I'm going to take a stiff sheet here and attaching a sentiment here which says love you, and then I'm pasting that sentiment on the base sheet, which is a hard sheet, and then I'm going to put the transparent OHP sheet on top of it, so that you can see the hearts in between moving. The hearts will be moving in between. So to do that, I'm using a double-sided tape here. I'm putting double-sided tape in all the corners of the circle, and then I'm attaching the base. Then after that, to make it more attractive, I'm adding one more base to it, and you can see how it is looking now. And then I have put I love you sentiment on it. So let's go to the next page now. So in the next page I'm just selecting my base page first, and then you can see here I have kept my books pages ready. I'm just arranging them accordingly to the straight shape, and then I'm just punching a hole in one corner of the circle, and then I'm taking a twine which is in red color here, and I'm going to put it inside it and put 2-3 rounds of twine inside it, and then I'm going to make a bow like shape here. So you can see here my Circulicious book is ready, and you can see there are many pages. It is up to you how much ever pages you want to add, you can add. I have put 6 pages here. So now on top of this I'm going to stick my alphabets, which is written love. I have taken a black color alphabet here, that is from the black color sheet. I have cut all these alphabets. So now I'm just going to stick the book on the base page. So my second page is also ready. You can see here how it looks. So now let's go to the third page. So on the third page I'm going to make a insert. I'm going to make a pocket insert here. So it is very easy to make a pocket insert. So what I have done is I have taken a circle here and cut it into half, and I'm going to stick it like this to make it like a pocket, and Then I'm going to take a medium-sized circle and punch it from one corner and attach a bow to it with the help of a red twine, and your pocket is ready. After that, I'm going to attach a sentiment to it. So it is completely up to you. How much ever decoration you want to do, you can do. You can make it beautiful. So this is how it looks. So let's go to the next page, that is 4th page, on which I am going to add some frames. So it is up to you in the frames. If you want to put pictures and make it like a shaker frame, that is also okay. Or if you want to just put a frame and sentiment, that is also okay. It is completely your choice. So I am putting here a frame and a sentiment. So these love sentiments, I got it from a craft shop. So you get these kind of sentiments very easily in the market. So I'm using double-sided tape here, that is double-sided foam tape here, to give it a 3D look. And now I'm putting small cushion type heart here to make it look more attractive. So this is how it looks. Now let's go to the 5th page, which is exactly like the 3rd page. Here again I'm going to make an insert, a pocket insert. And to make a pocket, I just cut the circle in half and attach the half circle on the base circle, and then a medium-sized circle. I'll just put the twine to it and put it inside it. And on this I'm putting with love sentiment, which is a cutout from a die cut machine. And I'm also putting a sentiment here. And now we come to our last page. So on the last page again I have kept here a pocket insert. I'm going to attach ribbon to this after I have added my love sentiment. Now after attaching all these pages with the help of a small piece of a strip of page, I also make a pocket insert. I couldn't show you in this video, but definitely I will record in the next video and show you. So this is how my Circle Mania album looks. This is a mini Circle Mania album, and you can put around 14 to 16 photographs inside this, and you get a lot of space for writing your message and putting sentiments also.